This is 1310 North 48th Place, unit number 4 in Phoenix. This is a newly renovated space. It opens right up into the main living area. We've got the new in-wall unit and a nice big window. In the first bedroom, there's a nice size walk-in closet. All of these ceiling fan and light fixtures are operated via remote. In the hallway here is a nice storage shelf. We've got the bathroom, super cute in here. Then we have the second bedroom with another in-wall unit. Then we've got this beautiful kitchen space, nice big window right here. And this opens up into the private yard space.